Hello, welcome to week 7. And we are going to be talking about your assignments that are due this week. We're talking about emerging technologies as well as AI. So, the first assignment here has to do with your case study assignment. All right. So, I'm going to pull those documents up here so that you're able to see what they are. And the first one is the case study itself. And so if you go to Module 7 under case study, that's going to go ahead and you'll see where the assignment is, and that's where this case scenario is as well. So you're going to go ahead and read through this, and it's a pretty extensive background on this patient. All right. So you're going to read through all of that. Then you'll see some questions at the end that you can think about. So then you open up the assignment itself, which is worth 40 points. And you see that there's an overview of what the assignment is and then your instructions. All right. So you're going to read the case study. You're going to look and figure out technology applications for this patient, the nursing role, ethics policy, and then a reflection. And the rubric is here to make sure that make sure you read that so that you can get all the points for your assignment. All right. Also remember that we're nearing um, the end of the semester where you're going to have to complete your final project. All right. So as far as the final project um, instructions, that's under week 8, and it covers everything that you've been working on this semester. So hopefully you've looked at this already, and you already have some of these, the parts of your paper already done. And so you're going to look at information on module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also 7, because you're going to be talking about in the rubric or the paper description, you'll see future trends and ethics is also a section here. So there is a template online that you can use if you would like for this paper, where you could just fill in so that the title page will be formatted correctly, and the paper itself will be formatted correctly as well. So if you would like to use that, you can, you don't have to. All right. Then as far as the other thing that you're going to be doing this week, you're going to be doing a final well, let me get up to the right week here. You're going to do a final discussion board. And with this, it's not really academic per se, but it's your final chance just to share with your classmates in this course what was the most eye-opening thing or concept or tool that really helped you? What part of the course do you find most challenging? How did you see yourself applying healthcare informatics in your capstone project? And what advice or encouragement would you give to your classmates? Now, you only have to choose 2 of those. You don't have to answer all of those. Choose 2 of those and then reply to at least 2 peers, just like normal. And you can go ahead and share encouragement or congratulations, comment on similarities or differences in your experience, offer advice, encouragement, or future ideas. All right. So that will wrap up our assignments for week 7. So I hope that you all are having a great week, and I will see you next time in the week 8 video if you haven't seen it already. All right. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.